Today we're gonna discuss about the disappearing of AMP symbol on your website. But before that, have you noticed that not only you but bigger websites like Verge, TechCrunch, Android Police and many more have lost their AMP symbol from Google search pages? We're gonna solve this mystery for you. So let's. So why did the AMP symbol suddenly start disappearing from all Google search pages on all AMP enabled websites? The answer is simple, that because Google chose to do so in their recent update. Yes, after 5 years of Google showing the AMP lightning bolt icon for AMP pages in the mobile result, it is now gone. There is nothing wrong from your side. It's Google who choose to disable it permanently from Google search engines. So, is it the end of AMP? No, AMP is not going anywhere. It is here to stay long. Instead, Google might replace it with page experience label, which we have seen in the testing in December 2020. And it's a bummer. It's not at all a good thing for the AMP user, that because instead sites needs to meet Google Core Web Vitals, and after achieving the Core Web Vitals, then only page experience label will be seen beside your AMP enabled website on Google search. What actually is Core Web Vitals? Core Web Vitals are a set of specific factors that Google consider important in a web pages. These Core Web Vitals are made up of three specific measurements: largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift (CLS). Let me tell you the most important part, which is LCP, which defines the average speed of most largest thing on a web page. It could be a picture, video, animation, plugins, etc. But remember, the important thing of page experience label is that you have to achieve Core Web Vitals for each and every post or page on your website to show the page experience label beside your website on Google search pages. This is why it has been termed as worse, because previously if some of the pages or posts doesn't qualify for Google Core Web Vital, but still the AMP lightning bolt logo shows on the Google search result. This can go against you. For example, if you have written an informative article with deep analysis point and tables and your competitor written less informative article on the same topic, yet his post passed the Google Core Web Vital and your website post didn't, still the page experience label will be shown beside your competitor post. So individually the searcher will click on your competitor website article more compared to yours. That's it for now. Subscribe us for more news about AMP and hit the like button.